Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you'd like to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you've got an answer of D, congratulations. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So when an ideal gas at temperature 27 degrees Celsius is suddenly compressed to 1/4 of its volume, the pressure increases by a factor of 7. What is the new temperature of the gas? Well, a really important thing to know is that if we have the pressure multiplied by the volume over the temperature of gas, as long as we keep the number of particles, the number of moles of particles, or the mass of the particles all means the same thing. As long as we keep that constant, then the pressure multiplied by the volume over the temperature is equal to a constant. Whatever we do to the pressure, the volume and temperature will change to give that same constant figure. So if we go from a set of conditions 1 to a set of conditions 2, the pressure at 1 multiplied by the volume at conditions 1 divided by the temperature at conditions 2 will equal the pressure in conditions 2, the volume at conditions 2, and the temperature at conditions 2. So using this idea, changing the temperature by changing the volume and the pressure, we can use this to find what the new temperature will be. So let's rearrange the equation. The new temperature, T2, will be equal to old temperature multiplied by the new pressure and the new volume over the old pressure and the old volume. Now the only other thing we need to be careful of is we're given the temperature in degrees C. This equation is only going to work for absolute temperature, that is the temperature in Kelvin. So you should know that 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. So I can convert 27 degrees Celsius is 300 Kelvin. So let's put some numbers into this equation and find out what my new temperature is. Well, the old temperature is 300 Kelvin. We're saying the pressure increases by a factor of 7. So I can say that my my pressure increases by a factor of 7. So my new pressure is 7. My old pressure is 1, 7 times the amount. And the volume is compressed to 1/4 of its volume. So the new volume is going to be 0.25 compared to the old volume of 1. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I get an answer of 525 Kelvin. But you can see all the answers over here in degrees C. So again, I need to convert my answer in Kelvin to an answer in degrees Celsius. And that's going to be, I'm going to take 273 away from 523 Kelvin, and I'll get an answer of 252 degrees C. Answer D. If you found this useful, please press the like button. Any comments will be welcome, and I hope you'll share this video and watch more in the series.